Welcome back. We continue with our bot and introduce. Here I want to show you the first or first Telegram bot and how to use it. And here you can see a selector of API of Telegram, https api telegram.org. I talk about it. Now we need here to use our bot token, and if I change here, just we put our token, and if I enter, you can see it give us a result of JSON, and we can use of this. We can use website. It's a parser online JSON. Here it's good website when we just need to copy and paste, or you can see it show us it's like array, and here it's a associate array. We talk about it in PHP section. Here we see here we have index okay, it's a boolean and it's true. And second, we have result is array. We can see here it's array with here and here. We close it, and the result it's another array, is like multi-dimensional. I talk about it in PHP section. And here you can see we have 4 member in this array. Array is result, and we have index ID is boot is returned true, and first name, and its first name or but Telegram bots, and username or Telegram. But it's a good website to check our JSON result. We can check with this website, and in our project we will see more about this. Okay, we back in Telegram bot API and continue with making. We talk about this, and now it's give us information about get and post. I talk about it in previous video, and here is it's show us how is it worked. It respond content of JSON object. I show you here. We see here and in parser online, and is right. We have always a field okay, like here you can see is boolean and is right for us. And we have, if we something wrong is happened to our Telegram bus, we have a field description, and error, we will have error code, and we can use and we can save all of this information in text file. I will show you and teach you how to create other things. And is right here, all method is case sensitive, and all queries must be in using UTF-8. Okay, here after making requests, use get updates, and every request we send to our bots, like if I come here, you can see everything we send a start, or we say hello. Every message we receive by our Telegram bot is request by, we name it, we call it update. And update, we have 2 methods to use receive or message. First one is get update, and second is webhook. We use webhook, we don't use get update method, because our programming language is PHP, and we use webhook, and I just show you example of get update. Okay, first we start with get update. Here I show you example, and if I enter, it's our information is returned for us, and I show you in website parser online JSON, and here we see we have index OK, like API of Telegram explain for us, and we have a result. In result we have another array, and it's update ID. We have is index name called update ID, and here in message we have message ID. It's from this user with this ID, and is right is boot is false, and here we can see good information. Its first name Sky Connect, and last name and language code, and it's right. We send which information we send a start. Here where is it? Here we send a start and hello. You can see it give us good information, we can use it, and in our project I explain for you.